Hey guys, here's another gratitude video with Rupa. I'm going to show you today how to make a matcha green tea because my uncle, I gave this matcha tea to my uncle in Bangladesh and he doesn't know how to make it and he asked me to make a video, so I'm doing a video. So I thought I would share it with the world how to do it. I have a very mini bit of water inside here and then I'm gonna use some of this matcha powder. I like a little bit more, but if you're just taking it for the first time, I would recommend take it less. So yeah, put there and then take this thing and make it like a paste. And then I will put a little more water just to make a foam. If you have a foam maker, you can use that one if you want. If you don't have, then use this bamboo thing. That also works perfect as well. And then you see how foamy it is. Oh my gosh. And sometimes some people like drinking it with milk. I would use plant-based milk like almond milk or rice milk. So when you have this foam, once you have the foam, I will put the water, but not boiling hot water, okay? It's just a little bit less hot than the boiling water because it will destroy all the good stuff from the tea. There you have your matcha green tea. Thank you so much. And Merry Christmas, everybody. That's a Christmas tea for you. Enjoy it. And I am super grateful for the tea. See you next time. Bye.